We are pleased to show you the 2018 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.